In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started by signing into your QuickBooks Online company. Once you're in, look to the top right of your screen for the gear icon. Click that, then choose Chart of Accounts. Think of the Chart of Accounts as the master list that organizes all the places money comes from and goes to in your business. Your banks, credit cards, sales, and expenses all live here. On the Chart of Accounts page, click the New button to add a fresh account. This opens a form where you'll set up the account's details. Begin by choosing an account type. This is a high-level category that tells QuickBooks how to treat the account in your books. Pick asset for things your business owns, like bank accounts, equipment, or inventory. Choose liability for what you owe, such as credit cards or loans. Select income for money you earn, like sales or service revenue. Use expense for costs you pay to run the business, such as utilities, rent, or supplies. Choosing the correct account type helps your reports and taxes stay accurate. Next, select a detail type. This is a more specific descriptor within the account type, and it helps fine-tune how the account appears on reports. For example, within expense, you might choose office supplies or utilities. Within asset, you might choose checking, savings, or fixed assets. Choose the option that best matches what this account is for. If you're unsure, pick the closest fit. QuickBooks provides descriptions to guide you. Now give the account a clear, specific name. Make it easy to recognize at a glance, like business checking, office supplies, or sales, online store. If it helps, add a short description to explain how you'll use the account or to distinguish it from similar accounts. Consistent naming makes data entry faster and reduces mistakes. If this account already has money in it or a balance you're bringing over from another system, enter the opening balance and the date that balance is accurate. A common approach is to use the balance as of the day before you start tracking in QuickBooks. If you plan to connect a bank feed or you're not sure about the correct amount, it's often better to leave the opening balance blank for now to avoid duplicate entries and confirm it later. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new account is now ready to use in QuickBooks Online.